Hi friends, welcome to Maximum Education. Today our topic 9th class chapter 2 polynomial exercise 2.2. On that first problem, what is the first problem? So find the value of polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3. So what we are to find the value of this polynomial when first one x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1 by 2. How we are to find? Simple, already is given one polynomial. First one 4x square minus 5x plus 3. So let x is equal to 0. First I am taking x is equal to 0. First one. Substitute instead of x, have to substitute 0. In the place of x, you have to write 0. So 4 into 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 3. 4 into, that is 0, 5 into 0 plus 3. That is equal to, the value of polynomial is 3 when x is equal to 0. Next again one, if I have take x is equal to 1, now same have to substitute. So it is 4x square minus 5x plus 3. How to substitute x is equal to 1. So 4, 1 power square minus 5 into 1 plus 3. 4 into 1, 4 only, minus 5 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. So the value of the given polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 is 2 when x is equal to 1. Next. Again, I am taking x is equal to 2. 4x square minus 5x plus 3. Instead of x, you have to substitute 2. That I am taking x is equal to 2. 4 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 3. 4. 2 power 2, 2 to ja 4. 2 to ja 4 minus 5 to ja 10 plus 3. 4 4 ja 16 minus 10 plus 3, 19 minus 10, that is equal to 9. So value of x is equal to 2, the given polynomial. Next, again one, you have to take x is equal to 1 by 2. Simple. 4 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 plus 3. Instead of x I am writing 1 by 2. Just 4 into 1 by 2 I am writing 1 by 4. 1 by 2 whole square, 2 square, 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. 4 4 get cancelled. Over. Here 1. 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 5 by 2. LCM is 2. LCM is 2. 2 4 ja 8 minus 5, that is equal to, value of the polynomial is 3 by 2. Okay? This is first problem. Copy it. Next to second problem. Find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 for each of the polynomial. So find the polynomial. This is one polynomial. Find the value of this polynomial when x is equal to first 0, next 1, next 2. So how we have to do? So easy. So for first I am taking P of x. P of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. So first we have to find P of 0. It's a simple. Instead of x you are writing 0. That is equal to 0 square minus 0 plus 1. That is equal to 1. Okay, this value is 1. Next you have to substitute x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 you have to substitute. P of 1. We are going to find a P of 1. So instead of 1, that is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. That is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Answer is 1. Next P of 2. Next to P of 2. Instead of x, you have to substitute 2. That is equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5 minus 2, value is 3. Over. The value of the polynomial is 3. Next, Same. I am going next again one. Next I am going to write this polynomial p of y. P of y is equal to, so what is given? 2 plus y plus 2 y square minus y cube. So I am going to write in the order, that is equal to minus y cube plus 2y square plus y minus plus 2. Simple. Okay. First I am writing p of 0. Simple. In the place of y I am writing 0. Minus 0 cube plus 2 into 0 square plus 0 plus 2. Answer is 2. Because 0, all are zeros only. 0 into something 0. Next. P of 1. So instead of y, minus 1 power 3 plus 2 into y power 3, y power 2, that's a 1 power 2 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, right. Minus 1 power 3. So that is automatically minus 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 plus 1, 3. That is equal to 2 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 1 plus 5, that is equal to 4 is the answer. Next, what we have to find? We are going to find P of 2. Simple, right? P of 2. P of 2. Instead of y, are writing 2. That is equal to minus 2 power 3 plus 2 into 2 power 2. Next, 2 again 2. So minus 2 power 3. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8. Plus 2 into 2 power 2 means 4 plus again 4, 2 plus 2 4. That is equal to minus 8 plus 8 plus 4. 0 get cancelled. Answer is 4. The P of t is equal to value is 2. Next, P of z. Same concept have to use. P of z. Simple. P of z. Z power 3. Z power 3. That is equal to P of 0. 0 power 3. That is equal to 0. Next, P of 1. Instead of z, you have to write 1. 1 power 3, that is equal to 1. 1 power something is 1 only. How to 1 power anything? That is 1 only. Next, P of 2. P of 2 is equal to 2 power 3, that is equal to 8. Simple. Over. Next, again one problem. Next, P of t. Just all variable is changing. There is the polynomial is same. What is the polynomial? T minus 1 into t plus 1. So I am going to change little bit of this. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Substitute here. P of t is equal to t square minus 1. So what I am going to first P of 0 I am going to find. P of 0. 0 power 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Next, P of 1. That is equal to 1 square minus 1. That is equal to 1 minus 1. That is equal to 0. So whenever the value of polynomial is 0, whenever I substitute something on the polynomial, the value is there 0. This is called this 1. This 1 is called the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial or root of the polynomial. Okay? 0 or root. Don't be confused. This 0 is 0, that 0 is difference. 0 of the polynomial or the root of the polynomial. Okay? Next you have to take 2. 2 power 2 minus 1, that is equal to 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Over. Okay. Next again one. Next 4, P of x. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. X square minus 3x plus 2. P of x, instead of x you have to write 0. That is equal to 0 square minus 3 into 0 plus 2. 0 minus 0 plus 2, answer is 2. Okay, next write P of 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. That is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. The P of 1 is equal to 1, 0. Next P of 2. So write hence the x power 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 2. X power 2, 4. 3 2 ja 6 plus 2. That is equal to 6 minus 6. Answer is 0. So here x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. These two are the roots of this polynomial. Whenever you are getting value 0, these are the roots of the given polynomial. Okay? Right. Copy it. Next, third problem. Verify the value of x is 0 or not of given polynomials. So is given one polynomial and is given value of x. So if substitute the value of x in this polynomial, the value of the polynomial is 0, that is the 0 of the polynomial, that is the root of the polynomials. Okay, otherwise it's not. So first one I am substituting. So P of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay? So clear, observe here. P of x, instead of x you have to write minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Just in the place of x. 2 get cancelled, that is equal to minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is 0 of given polynomial. Okay? Right. Okay? Right. Next. Again one problem. Same polynomial, clearly observe. Next, P of x is given. P of x is equal to 5x minus pi. So what is the value of pi? In the geometry, we are taking pi is equal to 22 by 7. In trigonometry, pi is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? Whenever we are going for angle, pi is equal to 180. Whenever in geometry, we are doing pi is equal to 22 by 7. And x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Just you have to substitute. So P of minus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 into minus 3 by 2 minus pi. That is equal to minus 3 5s are 15. Minus into minus, plus into minus minus. 5 3s are 15 by 2 minus 5. This is not equal to 0. Your conclusion, what is x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is not 0 or root. Not 0 of the given polynomial. 0 of the given polynomial. Very simple. So first to substitute the value of x is equal to something, whatever is given. How to substitute? You are getting 0, it is a 0, otherwise it is not 0. Okay, next. Next I am taking this p of x square minus 1. Simple. P of x is equal to x square minus 1 and x is equal to plus or minus 1. That means you have to substitute x is equal to first 1 plus 1, second one minus 1. So substitute x is equal to plus 1. Plus means no need to take sign. So minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 1 square minus 1, that is equal to 0. Okay, right. Next, x p of minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 1, that is also 0. Minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 only. Minus into minus plus. So minus 1 into minus. Minus into minus plus, 1 1 is 1. So that is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 1 or both are the 0 of the given polynomials. I have to write the conclusion. Plus or minus 1 is the 0 of given polynomial. 0 of given polynomials. Okay? Right. So any polynomial, how much degree it have? That many roots have, that many zeros. For example, your degree is 2. That's why it contains 2 roots. Here x into x square, this is also degree 2. This is also contain exactly 2 roots. Here y square, it contain 2 roots. Okay? First, next. Fourth one. So what is that? P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 2, where x is equal to minus 1 and minus 2. Simple, you have to substitute. First I am taking P of x is equal to minus 1. Instead of plus x I am writing minus 1. And minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2. Okay? Right. Minus 1, that is equal to minus 2 into, here again 1, that is equal to minus 2. 2 minus 1, 1 only. So minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Over. Next, P of minus 2. P of minus 2, that is equal to minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. Clearly observe. In the place of x I am writing minus 2. That is equal to minus 3. Plus 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Answer is 0. Answer is 0. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is not a 0 of polynomial. And x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. So, right. X is equal to minus 1, not 0, but x is equal to minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Next, again one problem. P of y is equal to y power 2. P of y is equal to y power 2, that is equal to 0. And y is equal to 0. Simple. Y is equal to 0 means instead of y you are writing 0, the value is 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0 is the polynomial of y is equal to 0 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Okay? Right. Carry on. Next. Third bit, sixth problem. P of x is equal to ax plus b. Verify the value of x is equal to minus b by a. Simple. P of x is equal to ax plus b. So instead of x you are writing minus b by a. Simple. P of minus b by a, that is equal to a into minus b by a plus b. A get cancelled. Okay? Minus b plus b minus that is equal to 0. Minus b plus b that is equal to 0. Next. Over. Next if I take f of x, in the polynomial change that the f of x is equal to, okay, here I am writing again. So f of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. 3x square minus 1. So x is equal to how much? Minus, first 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3. That is equal to 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. Okay? This is equal to 3 into 1 square means 1. So root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square minus square root get cancelled. 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1. 3 get cancelled. That is equal to 1 minus 1. 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Next, f of x is equal to 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 is equal to 3 into 2 by under root of 3 whole square minus 1. That is equal to 3 into 2 power 2 by root 3 power 2 minus 1. That is equal to root 3 get cancelled. That again 3 into 4 by 3 minus 1. 3 get cancelled. 4 minus 1 that is equal to 3. 4 minus 1 that is equal to 3. So this is x is equal to 2 by root 3 is not a 0. X is equal to minus 1 by root 3 is a 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 is 0 of the polynomial. And x is equal to 2 by root 3 is not 0. Not 0 of the given polynomial. Okay? Right. Next again one. So this is over. Next we have only 8th problem, 8th bit. So first we are writing f of x. F of x is equal to 2x minus 1. So instead of x is equal, first I will write minus 1. F of first 1 by 2. 1 by 2 that is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 get cancelled. That is equal to 1 minus 1 that is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2 is 0 of polynomial. 0 of polynomial. Next, f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Therefore, f of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 get cancelled. Minus 1 that is equal to minus 2. So, this is not a 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is not a 0 of the polynomial. 0 of polynomial. Okay? Right. Carry on.